We are here at KSMoca, which stands for King School Museum of Contemporary Art. We're in Northeast Portland in the historic Alberta, Albina area that has been home to Portland's Black community for decades, actually. And so this particular program was started by my colleagues, Dr. Lisa Jarrett and Harold Fletcher, had the bright idea to essentially put a contemporary art museum inside of an elementary school. And so the beautiful thing about this program is students from ages 5 to 12 are exposed and immersed into art making, are able to meet local artists, national artists, international artists. And for them, art is just kind of always a part of their lives. They're in a unique situation, and that in addition to being able to witness the art, they are participating in helping to run the museum.
I am an image maker that is a part of a larger group known as AfriCobra. And my work is based in our philosophical and aesthetic principles that have guided what we've done over the course of these 52 years as a group of artists. We work in all the different mediums of visual expression. I've always taught at the university level, but I do a lot of workshops and residencies with young children. The invitation to come here and be a resident at the King School with the children, it is an extraordinary opportunity for me. And I really love them because there's nothing you can bring to them that they feel they can't do. They can do anything. And moreover, they also give me quite a lot of energy to go back to my studio and work.
I was an artist when I was 3.
Were you an artist when you were 3? I can tell you got...
Yes, I love painting.
It's a NBA house, Golden State Warriors.
Like in the bottom, you see a little bit green. Billy the unicorn greets people, and it's really sunny there.
A basketball hoop and the sign of the basketball team.
And there are always parties there. It is very sparkly and very rainbow. I just imagined and then drew it. I like my house. It's the things that I really like. I like Pikachu. I learned it's very hard to make stars out of this thing, but it took a lot of pressure. Sometimes it takes time and you gotta focus on what you really want to do.
You keep trying.
I like art because it's fun and it's cool and it teaches you how to make art and like never give up when you're making something.
They understand that there isn't anything that you can't be in life. All you have to do is commit yourself to what it takes to do that. And they definitely committed themselves to creating these little masterpieces that they created that's on exhibit here right now. And so I'm very proud of them.